Good morning, my dear thinkers. On the 6th of May 2024, we have started Children's Circuit Lab at Sri Gautami Smart School, Rajahmundry. And my thinkers have now gained the knowledge of inserting the components. And you see this, how they are inserting the components and how they are preparing the boards ready. They are now about to solder them. So they have the tools ready on the tables and they are going to do the soldering. So before do the soldering, they are testing on their project holders. And this is how my circuit lab is going on. And some students, my thinkers, are cleaning the components. And then, you see how they are cleaning the components. Abhinav is cleaning nicely and is going to insert. And while soldering, when the component is clean, the lid is clean, and they can do the best soldering. So that the resistivity, the junction resistance, the solder point, that will be very good. So that's how my thinkers are bending the components, inserting the components and bending the components. And today they are going to prepare water level indicator because they want to save the water. You see how Lakshya and Lashya, the both are preparing their first project. They are enjoying. Yes or no, Lakshya? Yes? Happy? Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah? Everybody is busy in tinkering. And have your water, little water. So this is how my circuit lab is happening. And Tishitha Mahi has come from Bangalore. And she also learning. Very nice. And her brother Charvik SaiKrishna has become a team leader of this Children's Circuit Lab today. Okay? So, brother and sisters are working together, coordinating together. I think this is how we can make sure our circuit lab helps building the bondings. They are enjoying tinkering. So, I think today onwards we all will say, happy tinkering.
Happy tinkering.
Happy tinkering.
Happy tinkering.
Keep innovating.
Keep innovating.
Oh, wonderful. Good. Good to see you all. Good. Do good tinkering.